guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for the second week of this CVS ad cycle. Still have some good deals going on and some of the coupons we got last week, if you didn't do the deals last week, you can use them again this week because they are still valid. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Let's go find some deals. Let's start with the Kids Sensodyne toothpaste. They are part of buy one get $3 back. Pick up one price at $4.99, pay the $4.99 and get 3 back, making it just $1.99. My next deal is buy 2 get 6 back, and the Colgate and Hello toothpaste are part of this deal. Pick up one Colgate total price at $5.39 and one Hello toothpaste price at $6.29. These two will total $11.68. Check your app. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Colgate and a $2 coupon attaching to the Hello toothpaste. The two coupons will take off $5 and you pay $6.68 and you will get 6 back, making them 68 cents or 34 cents each. My next deal is on Tylenol Pain Relieving Patch. It's part of buy one get $5 back. Pick up one. Here is priced at $7.49, but on the app it's priced at $6.99. Ask your store if they can price match because it will make this a better deal. Pick up one. Use the $3.50 off digital coupon and you pay $3.49, get 5 back, making it free and $1.51 money maker. If your store do not price match and you're using the $7.49 price, taking off the $3.50, you will pay $3.99, get 5 back, making it free and $1.01 money maker. The next deal I have is spend $20, get $10 back, and Eucerin is part of this deal. Pick up one Eucerin calming cream priced at $13.99 and one 5-ounce Eucerin lotion priced at $6.59. These two will total $20.58. Pay the $20.58 and you get 10 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each lotion. That means you get back $4 from Ibotta, and that will make these two products just $6.58 or $3.29 each. If you have the $2 tier pad coupon, use 2. That will take off $4 and you pay $16.58, get 10 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each lotion. That means you get back $4 from Ibotta, making them $2.58 or $1.29 each. The next deal I have is on Nivea hand and body lotion. They are on the deal of spend $20, get $10 back. And I have two options for this deal. For the first option, pick up 3 8.4-ounce Nivea lotion priced at $7.29 each. The 3 will total $21.87. Use the $2 off Nivea digital coupon and you pay $19.87, get 10 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each lotion. That means you get back $6 from Ibotta, making them $3.87 or $1.29 each. And the second option I have is to pick up 2 16.9-ounce Nivea lotion priced at $10.29 each. Both will total $20.58. Use the $2 off Nivea digital coupon and you pay $18.58, get 10 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each lotion. That means you get back $4 from Ibotta, making them $4.58 or $2.29 each. The next lotion deal I have will be on the 10-ounce Vaseline lotion. It's part of buy 2 get 3 back. Pick up 2, priced at $5.59 each. Both will total $11.18. Pay the $11.18 and you get 3 back, making them $8.18 or $4.09 each. My next deal is buy any Gold Bond hand and body lotion and you get $5 back. Pick up the 5.5-ounce Gold Bond lotion priced at $10.29. Use the $2.50 off digital coupon and you pay $7.79, get 5 back, making it just $2.79. The next deal I have is spend $20, get $10 back on any Nivea body wash 16.9 to 20 ounce or men's shave product. Pick up 2 Nivea women body wash priced at $6.99 each and 1 men Nivea body wash priced at $5.99. The 3 will total $19.97 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 20. If your store does not follow the 98% rule, pick up 3 of the Nivea Women Body Wash. That will get you over 20. We have a $2 digital coupon that will attach to one of the body wash, and that will drop it down to $17.97. Pay that and get $10 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each of the women body wash, limit of 5. You get $2 back on that rebate, And there is another rebate for the men body wash. You'll get back $1 because you picked up just one, and it's also a limit of 5. The total you will get back from Ibotta from these two offers will be $3, and that will make all 3 items just $4.97 or $1.66 each. If you did not pick up the soft soap or Irish Spring deal last week, the coupons are still valid. You can do them again this week, and I'll give you 2 options for this deal. The first option is to pick up 2 soft soap body wash. They're on sale for buy one get one 40% off, and they're on the deal of buy 2 get $4 back. Here is priced at $6.59, and with the buy one get one 40% off, the second one will be $3.95. Both will total $10.54. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $6.54, get 4 back, making it $2.54, $1.27. If you prefer the Irish Spring body wash, they are priced at $7.49. Pick up 2, and with the buy one get one 40% off, the second one will be $4.49. These two will total $11.98. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $7.98. Get 4 back, making them $3.98, $1.99 each. L'Oreal Cosmetics is on the deal of spend 10 get 3 back. Pick up one L'Oreal lipstick priced at $10.39. We have a $2 digital coupon that you can use, and it will drop it down to $8.39, and you get 3 back, making it just $5.39. My next deal is spend 10 get 5 back on any Neutrogena cosmetics. Pick up one Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Lip Shine priced at $11.99. Use the $3 Neutrogena digital coupon and you pay $8.99, get 5 back, making it just $3.99. My next deal is spend 8 get $3 back on Clean and Clear Acne Care. Pick up the Clean and Clear Exfoliating Scrub priced at $8.99. Use the $2.50 digital coupon and you pay $6.49, get 3 back, making it just $3.49. If your store follows the 98% rule, then pick up the Clean and Clear Cleanser priced at $7.99. And that's within the 98% rule for spend 8. Use the $2.50 off digital coupon and you pay $5.49 and get 3 back, making it just $3.49. My next deal will be on the About Face products. They're on the deal of buy 1 get 3 back. Pick up the About Face Brow Wow priced at $8.99. Pay $8.99 and get 3 back, making it $5.99. Or you can pick up the About Beauty Folding Paws priced at $9.99. Pay $9.99 and get 3 back, making it just $6.99. Another easy deal this week is buy 2 Royal Beauty Facial Mask and you get $3 back. They are priced at $3.99. Pick up 2 for a total of $7.98. Pay the $7.98 and you get 3 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. I found some clearance items, and the first one I will share will be the Children's Antacid Liquid on clearance for $1.49, and Ibotta is giving back $1.50, making it free. The second one I have will be the Severe Toxin CF on sale for $5.09, and Ibotta is giving back $2, making it $3.09. And the last one will be the Mucus and Chest Congestion on clearance for $4.62, and Ibotta is giving back $2, making it $2.62. The Severe Toxin and the Mucus and Chest Congestion Ibotta offer is the same. My next deal is buy 2 get 7 back on any Depend or Poise adult care. Pick up one 44-count Poise liner priced at $8.29 and one 28-count Poise pad priced at $7.99. These two will total $16.28. Use the $2.50 off Poise digital coupon and you pay $13.78, get 7 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 75 cents back on the liner, limit of 1, and another 75 cents back on the pad, limit of 1. That means you get back $1.50 from Ibotta, making both just $5.28 or $2.64 each. The next deal I have is spend 20 get 10 back on Tresemme hair care. Pick up 3 Tresemme hairspray priced at $6.99 each. The 3 will total $20.97. Pay the $20.97 and you get 10 back, making them $10.97 or $3.66 each. If you like Got2b products, they are on sale for 2 for $12, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2, pay $12 and get 3 back, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back, limit of 1, and that will make both products just $7.50 or $3.75 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 4 back on Clairol hair colors. Pick up 2 Textures and Tones hair color priced at $8.49 each. The 2 will total $16.98. Use a 6 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $10.98, get 4 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. The next deal I have will be on Garnier Fruity Shampoo or Conditioner. They're on the deal of buy 2 get 3 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $5.59 each. Both will total $11.18. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $8.18 and you get 3 back, making them $5.18 or $2.59 each. The next deal I have is spend $30, get $10 back. I have 2 options for this deal, but it's a limit of 1 per week. The first option is to pick up 1 Tide Pod on sale for $5.49, 1 Downy fabric softener on sale for $13.49, 6 count bounce dryer sheets on sale for $5.49, and a Dawn dish soap on sale for $5.99. These 4 items will total $30.46. Use a $1 digital coupon for the Tide, 50 cents digital coupon for the Dawn, $2 off Downy coupon from Coupon 24 app, and a $1 off Bounce coupon from Coupon 24 app. The 4 coupons will take off $4.50 and you pay $25.96, get 10 back, making them $15.96 or $3.99 each. The second option I have is to pick up 2 Tide Pods on sale for $13.49 and 1 small Tide Pod on sale for $5.49. These 3 items will total $32.47. Use a $3 digital coupon for the Big Tide, and for the second Big Tide, use a $3 coupon from Coupon 24 app. We have a $1 off digital coupon for the Little Tide. The 3 coupons will take off $7 and you pay $25.47, get 10 back, making them $15.47 or $5.16 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support. I truly appreciate them, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.